It used to be a death sentence, but not anymore.
A local doctor's been helping win the war on AIDS for decades.
And tonight he reflects back on his career and the current state of the virus. Here's Vince Vitrano.
He's fought hard against a frightening disease, and though things have gotten better, he warns the battle is far from over. Dr. Roger Greminger loves to get out on the tennis court when he can.
It's good exercise and it's fun.
Where he's most comfortable, though, is with his patients. He works at the STD Specialties Clinic on Holton, but started as an emergency room doc in the late 70s.
It was really the area in medicine where you could reflect what's going on in the culture, in society.
That desire to make an impact on society translated to Roger focusing on sexually transmitted diseases.
It's an extremely needed area.
Roger was one of the first doctors at the free STD clinic on Brady Street. Now, after more than 35 years in Milwaukee medicine, he is retiring.
It's just a long time. It's kind of sad that I would leave.
Before retiring, though, Roger had taken time to reflect with us on his work, especially when it comes to HIV and AIDS awareness.
In those early days, we were dealing with a significant amount of denial.
Roger was one of the first doctors in our area to thoroughly study the disease.
At the time when we really needed a doctor like Roger, he was there.
Bruce was diagnosed with HIV in 1985 after finding out his partner had the virus.
It was scary. There was a whole lot of misinformation.
Bruce had already been friends with Roger for years and knew he was the doctor to see first.
He stepped in. He stepped up to the bat when very few other people did.
He recalls how Roger tried to make sure that people were getting tested.
He looked into the gay community, into the community that most HIV infections were at that time prevalent. I take this amount of pills in the evening.
Bruce lives with some complications, but is doing well overall. Despite the strides in HIV and AIDS medications, he wants to see people keep up the conversation.
If people don't talk about it now, they won't think that prevention is important.
Roger says a promising sign is that more and more young people are coming into the clinic to get tested.
If we can diagnose them very early and get them treated very early, we can decrease the total viral load.
As Roger gets ready to retire, he's thankful for the strides that have been made and hopeful.
It's just, I think it's very rewarding.
The STD Specialties Clinic offers a variety of STD testing in a comfortable, safe environment. There is a link to more information on our website, TMJ4.com. Vince Vitrano, today's TMJ4.